Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML computer code elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML code element. The HTML code element for computer code. We have discussed about this before, but I still want to bring a simple topic on it quickly. The HTML code element is used to define a piece of computer code. The content inside is displayed in the browser's default monospace font. For example, when we define some text as computer code in a document, it's going to look like this. So I'm going to show you how this works, and the font is going to look like this. So right here, if you notice very well, notice that the code element does not preserve extra white space and line breaks. To fix this, you can put the code element inside a pre-element. So one of the benefits of using pre-element, I've discussed about this pre-element in our previous tutorial. You can watch it, you can search for it in our playlist here. I'm going to learn deep things about the pre-element. So one of the benefits of using the pre-element is what you are going to find out here. So when you define the pre-element, opening and closing pre-element, inside it, you cannot put your code element, opening and closing code element. Inside it, you can now define your you can now put your computer code inside. So quickly, I'm going to show you how this works. Back to our document. We are having empty page right here now, and let's get back to our code. Our code is empty now. So inside our body tag, let's write some code. But before we write some code, we are going to use our pre-element. So quickly, inside this pre-element, we are going to use code elements. Inside this code element is where we are going to define our our code. So let's say A is equal to 3. Let's close it. B is equal to 4. Let's close it. Let's say C is equal to A times A times B. Let's close it and save our document. You are going to see how it looks. Let's reload our document. Can you see how it's looking? Can you see how it looks? You can see it look like the way we set it. So let's say for instance now we now set it. We want everything to be in one line, straight line, to be on the inline level. So let's reload our document. We are going to see. Can you see? It looks the way we want it. So again, let me bring it back. Let's now say, as you can see this one now, let's say on top of this place we can put our whatsoever. We can put our p tag. Let's say here is your result. When you write this, let's save our document to see what we are having. Can you see? Here is your result. And you can see, you can even let's just copy this and place it at the top of here, at the top of this place. Let's place it inside this place and reload our document. Can you see how it's looking? The way they are looking is very different. So in the next tutorial, I'm still going to show you how you can control the space, the margin, everything inside this place. We have been discussing about the space margin for a while now, but I hope you know how you can control this. So, and also let me check, maybe there is anything I still want to show you guys. Nothing more yet. So in the next video we are still on it. So we are still on code. We are still on HTML computer code elements. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And